Subuksan natin guys ang ating gulay at chicken. Guys, lagyan natin ng asparagus. Ayan, ganyan lang guys. Kasi itong mga gulay nito guys, pwede lang half cook. Ayan, lagay na natin lahat guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Tapos, takpan natin guys. Madali lang kasi ito maluto guys. So, ganun pa rin guys. Nilagyan natin ng gulay na asparagus. Yung asparagus guys, medyo yung tipo kunti yung balat. Ayan, so takpan natin guys. Ganun pa rin guys, may sili tayo, green pepper, at asparagus. So, takpan natin guys. Let's cover it. Ayan. So, hintayin natin maluto guys. Subuksan natin guys ang ating gulay at chicken. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Luto na yan guys. So guys, it's done. Luto na siya guys, oh. So guys, it's done na guys. Luto na. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan ang ating asparagus guys. So thank you for watching guys.